Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Chockalingam Pragasam,
Author of.
Vedic Anatomy.
Sir, how is it being at the world's largest book fair?
Yeah, I like it very much and I love it. I'm really happy to be here.
Sir, can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
Vedic Anatomy is something like, it is about our Indus Valley civilization,
Right.
which where we come from that civilization. It's one of the sophisticated civilization. Veda text is nothing but an ancient medical text.
Right.
It gives a lot of information about the organ and the functions
Right.
and the medicines about it.
Right.
That's what I have deciphered and then
Right.
put it in this.
Can you give us two key takeaways from this book that we can apply in our lives now even?
One is that Ayurveda does not have a anatomy book by themselves.
Right.
They take the modern medicine anatomy book for their studies.
Right.
But whereas this book will give them the anatomy book for Ayurvedic students from the ancient text.
Right.
So that is one they have got.
Right.
The second one is a lot of researchers have got a lot of information from this book where I have mentioned many of the plants
Right.
in each and every organ of the body.
Right.
So that plant must be useful in that particular organ,
Right.
which any researchers can do research on that particular thing, and
Right.
the public at large can benefit out of it.
That's wonderful, sir. So thank
Yeah.
you so much for sharing your experience with us. I hope you have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
book fair.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, sir.
Thank you.
It's a very good interview, sir.